Yeah, so we'll baseline it bone stock, we'll baseline it intake, and then we'll baseline it after tune.
After tune, just to get a comparison of all three.
Yep.
Okay.
Until 14, my man.
I know that. That's why I was, because we've done a few.
What'd you say?
Well, it didn't start looking like this until 14.
Yeah, well, technically it didn't start looking like this until 15. Yeah. This one right here is a fresh boy, 2019. Pretty fresh.
Let me check it out. Let's see what we got here.
21 is, I think.
This thing looks stock to me.
Yeah, I'm going with, I'm gonna go a little high, I think, 569.
Right, 569, the usual.
Yeah.
Is it a manual?
Auto.
Is it auto?
Yeah, it's auto.
So that's why I think I'm gonna push it a little high, but what are you gonna do? Gotta stick with my plan.
I'm gonna go with 550. I'm gonna be a little err on the cautious side, I guess.
Oh! Yes, ladies and gentlemen, here he is! Woo! Matthew!
That's the bone!
Alright, Kyle, what do you think on this guy? What is your expert opinion?
My expert opinion?
Yeah. How many horsepower?
Oh, let me put the boost line on. What did you say, 550?
Yeah.
What do you say, 565?
569.
I'll go 562.
Oh. Cut in the middle. What a pal. Other ones. Do another one. I guess undercutting it that much was a bad idea. We were sorely mistaken. Is that a little more than
600?
A little more than we thought.
Yeah.
So I guess that means you're the winner, Eric.
Every day.
Every time. You go home and like you have a little book and you put check another tally in it every time you win.
I'm certainly down.
What these say? These are rated like 650, right? Usually. That's what they say from the factory. Okay, so 577. That's pretty good.
Jack 1, Matt 0.
Started snapping. Eric's like, what? And he's like, what do you say, Kyle? I'm like, I don't know.
Eric was in my office and I was talking. He's like, oh, he goes
Jack, I
off.
fell straight on my back. I was like, damn. I was like, he's in a bad mood. I'm not gonna laugh.
Yeah, I was talking to Eric now. He goes, Matt's on a different level right now. Well, at least an hour later, you can laugh about it. But.
Yeah, that's good.
How you doing?
Yeah, I didn't want to say anything because I was like, oh man, I was like, he's gonna be pissed.
Shit, Eric will say it immediately.
That's not when he texts. He's like, go back on the cameras. I'm like, I'm way ahead of you.
Take all the Whipple kit off neatly. Because it got sold.
So he's putting a supercharger or a procharger on it instead,
Yeah.
but he sold the Whipple kit.
Yeah. Literally so much work.
Damn. So you gotta take it all off, make sure everything's accounted for,
Yeah.
so you can get it sent to the person that bought it.
And change all the shit that I've already set up for Whipple.
Yeah. I am a man with a delivery. Where do you want this thing?
Kyle, give me like a solid corner front wrap, but don't block the grill.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Throw it down. See, I want to do like the whole thing about this car.
Yeah. Okay.
Just because it's bone stock with mufflers, and so we'll be able to see what it picks up with just an intake.
So we're just saying it right now, bone stock.
Yeah, so we'll baseline it bone stock. We'll baseline it intake, and then we'll baseline it after tune.
After tune, just to get a comparison of all three.
Yep.
Okay. What year is this one?
Thorough. I don't fucking know what it is. Oh, it's a 50th gen, so it's a 17.
Okay. So just prove that it's all stock.
Do people doubt that?
Yeah, some people might doubt truth-telling abilities.
I'll kick rocks.
Yeah,
Think we care enough to make up stuff?
right. Seriously, I don't have the time to make up stuff. Just being completely, like, utterly stock should be around what?
420,
420 roughly?
410, 420.
Yeah, pretty close to what you said. What is it? 430.
Pretty high.
Yeah, I'm so much more.
That's funny.
Alright, so that was a really solid. I mean, I can't imagine the mufflers have any influence on the power, but
just a strong baseline.
it is definitely a. This thing's got mud all over the inside of it and shit.
Look at you. What a nice guy.
Like annoying.
AWE mufflers, okay. Made 430 with just mufflers, nothing else, no tune, nothing. So then you're gonna throw this roto fab over here in it, and then we'll see what kind of improvements we get after that, and then we'll get tuned by Fran. So it'll get we're gonna dyno 3 times. Well, we're probably not gonna take it off. We're just gonna do the roto fab right on it right now. I mean, it took me like 20 minutes to install my intake. They're not that long, huh? Are these ones a little bit more?
Take me a half hour. So.
Half hour. All right. So this is the whole kit, basically. Intake. All the connectors. walk back to my office, get a drink of water, and come back with a energy drink. You already got the whole thing taken out.
Yeah.
Literally, what, 2 minutes? Not even?
I spent most of my time walking back and forth to my toolbox.
Yeah, just getting everything you need.
How many girls you gotta buy for Christmas presents for that?
I ain't buying them hoes nothing.
So 7.
Yeah. So 5.5.
5.5 because he's only gonna get the one free coupon to Red Lobster dinner or something.
Red Lobster.
God, I hate that fucking place.
I've been there once.
Yeah, I don't think I've been
My
there since I was
wishes.
about 8 years old. Okay,
All done?
all done.
Very much for us as well.
I'm gonna pick up 5 or something.
Okay.
I'm pretty curious.
I've never done this or watched a video on it, so. Out with the old. You did all that effort to close that box and
Yeah. Cocksucker.
expertly cataloged, my friend.
That didn't fit.
Here, if he wants it.
You just missed him like closing the box and then having to put like 2 other things in it and being like,
It happens. How much do you think it'll pick up?
me?
Yeah.
I don't know. Matt said like 5 or so. So I don't know. I would.
It'll pick up more.
You think
Does it have a
15?
stock air intake on it?
Yeah, had stock
I
on.
mean, just intake no too.
Is it bolt on?
It's just it's got mufflers.
Okay.
Mufflers and
It'll pick up 14 from an intake. I'll make a pull by itself and then I'll tune it.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, I didn't think you were lying to me, but like,
how much did I say?
you said like 13 or something, 15. I'll have to go back with it. This is just after installing the Rotofab. Gained about 16, 17. That's pretty much about what you predicted. 16, 17 horsepower.
Yeah, I got a bunch of knock and with the stock tune, so so it should pick up some more.
Once you work your magic on it.
Yeah.
You recommend that if someone gets like an intake or something like that, just simple that they do tune it with it?
Always.
Always?
Yeah, always.
So what are some of the things that could occur like if you didn't? Or
It
run
could be,
lean or
yeah, it could be
rich?
lean. I mean, you never know. Like, I mean, you could see on this data log, red line is knocked. Like, it got knocked basically the whole time. So, I mean, obviously you don't want that. But, I mean, that's one of the things. But it's just, yeah, I mean, a tune is always recommended. Sometimes they're actually not bad and could have gone without a tune, but other times they're terrible. And I mean, you just never know. It's not worth it. I mean, plus it'll pick up more on a tune anyway. They just run so much better tunes.
Yeah, like you're saying when you baseline the cars, like they're all different, you never know. So like same thing, you just
Some guy in the YouTube comments was saying our dyno reads high because this, whatever car we dynoed in the video made 8 more horsepower than the normal ones that he's seen.
there's so many different variables.
8 horsepower, you dip So, you know, 2% of the horsepower, like, it reads 2% high, like
8.
not 80 horsepower.
Not 100.
Yeah,
Like,
eight fucking horsepower higher than the ones. Okay, dude.
I mean,
Shit boggles my mind, bro.
There's literally a percent error in like everything you do because we're human. Like,
I mean, it's a tuning tool. That's exactly what we use it for.
Yeah.
The fact that you say it reads 8 horsepower higher.
yeah, it's just there to help and aid you, man.
I
It's
mean,
not like
like-
an end all be all.
Yeah, we're
like-
here to do it before and after. Like,
Yeah. It's just a help.
if it's
like,
8 horsepower on the baseline, it's going to be 8 horsepower on the whatever. Like, yeah, well, it picked up what, like 14 or 15, 16 on the tune, and then another 11 or with the intake, I
Yeah.
mean, and then another 11 or whatever with the tune.
Yeah. And like, you know, got rid of all the hiccups with the
Yeah.
running with the new,
And I had
new
like
parts.
5 degrees less timing in it.
Yeah. A lot safer.
Yeah.
So, is an intake worth it? I'd say yeah.
Of course. Intake it too.
I think any kind of mods you can do, like whatever's within your means, obviously. Like,
27 horsepower and about the same torque.
is that for? Oh, you finally the ported blower back and everything for this.
Sure did.
Nice. What, Bill grab it yesterday on the way home or something on the way here?
Yeah, on the way home, I think, last night, maybe this morning. I don't know. Hard to say. Hard to say what that man does. He's very elusive.
That's a good word.
Thank you.
Word of the day.
Yep.
Elusive. That's nice. That was pretty much the only thing you were waiting on, right? Can put everything back together and then get it flashed and whatnot. This one getting a new exhaust, or
What?
is this one getting a new exhaust or no?
No.
Just was it rattling or
It's in
something?
for a tune, but it's,
Oh, okay.
the exhaust is hitting like 4 different places.
That's great.
Yeah, well, you know, junk system.
What one's on this one, you know?
Texas Speed.
Texas Speed. Again,
Again,
they get you again.
Texas Speed exhaust. Header's hitting the cross member over here. I don't like that. The only thing you can do about that is dent the header.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of them like that. They end up having to do that. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow us on our social medias and stay tuned for the next one.